Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School, Class 6 subject Social Science. Children, before class we have covered the 5 topics. Let me see what are they. Why, where they on move, hunter-gatherers move from place to place, how do we know about these people, uses of stone tools, choosing a place to live in. Today we are going to see about making a stone tools. They are two different techniques. The first technique is stone on stone. One hand they will keep a cord, that is the kurangal. Another hand they will use as a hamper. The second stone they have used it and they will break it. They will break it. They will whatever they want the shape they will do it. Next is pleasure flaking. One hand the cord, that is kurangal, they will keep as a base. On another hand the hammer stone, they will use the pieces of stones they will placed on the core, okay, and they will shape it whatever the tools they want, they will do it. This is about the making the stone tools. Finding out the fire. Kurnool Caves. Kurnool Caves is in Andhra Pradesh. There only the ashes, the curry tund, has been found there. Why they use the ashes? Because the ashes is used as a fire. For what purpose it has been used? First one is sources of light, roast of meat, scare away from the animals. If you are staying in a place, we need a light. Those days they keep as a fire, as a light. If they hunt the animals, they will roast it on the fire and then they will eat as a meat. Scare away from animals. Animals விரட்டி விடத்துக்கோசம் they will use as a fire. Okay, and next is a changing environment. 12 years ago the climate has been changes because in those days it will be so cool. After the climate changes, then it has came as a warm condition. Grasses has been grown. If there is more grasses, many animals will come and eat. Yes or no? What and all is there? Animals is the number of deers, goats, sheep and cattle. Their fishing is become very important. Okay, several grain bearing grasses. Many grasses has been grown. There is a wheat, barley, rice has been grown in Indian subcontinent. What the men's and women's has been done, they collect all the food grains and they have been learned how to do the process on their own. Next is names and dates. Paleolithic age. Paleo is old, lithic is stone. The period is been extent is 12,000 years ago. Paleolithic is nothing but it is in a old stone age. Mesolithic age, it is in a middle stone age. In middle stone age, many environmental changes has been changed. Forest has been developed. The period has been extent is 12,000 till 10,000 years ago. In Mesolithic age, this type of tiny stones or small stones has been found. Next is Neolithic age. It is about how the people lived in their past. The period has been extent in 10,000 years ago. Next we are going to see about rock paintings. In this picture, can you see the rock paintings? The paintings has been done on their walls, not in your house wall. It is on the cave walls. It has been found in Madhya Pradesh and southern Uttar Pradesh. Drawing was very accurate and they have many skills on those days. Who did what? The earliest people have been hunted, gathered many plants. They have made a stone age and they were being painted on the cave walls. Here the woman has been painted and men has been gathered the fruits. This is how both the men and women have been done their work together. Next we are going to see about ostrich in India. This ostrich in India have been found in Paleolithic period. These eggs have been found in Patni in Maharashtra. The cells of the ostrich has been designed. This is about the ostrich in India. And then they have been made the beads using the ostrich egg. And next we are going to move to the closer look. Hunsigi. The sites, in that sites very number of tools has been found. The tools are made up of limestone. Next, elsewhere. Here the painting is below from the cave in the France. I will show the picture in a book. This is the pictures of the cave painting in the France. This cave painting has been discovered by the school children. Many animals like wild animals, bison, bear are painted in the bright colors. The colors are made up of from the minerals like charcoal and iron ore. This is the map about the archaeological sites. Diogeli Hading. It is in Assam. Binbeka in Madhya Pradesh. Hunsiki, it is in Karnataka. Kurnur caves in Andhra Pradesh. Adichanallur, it is in Tamil Nadu. Mehagar, it is in Pakistan. These are the some archaeological sites. These are the some archaeological sites under this map. So the assignment is practice this map. Whatever you practice, you kindly keep this map properly. After you come to the school, bring this map. Thank you, children.